cauliflower test
Yeah.
for skew and stuff on my bamboo machine.
Yeah, the SPO8, there was a guy that did all that,
Hmm.
and there wasn't even enough to bother changing.
Yeah, a lot of it'll be specific, and most
Yeah.
printers are pretty dialed in if you buy a pre-made one. It's the Vorons that really need it because obviously you're hand building and calibrating everything.
Hmm.
I don't know, because I just finished dialing in my flow, and now I got to move on to that kind of stuff. Just because I'm gonna start printing my the V 1.1 stuff.
Yeah, I got it printed. I ended up printing the non-flat top, and I got to reprint that one part.
Oh, okay. What's the flat top one versus unflat? What is that?
Well, the one I had a little bitty protrusion on top that had a hole through it,
Hmm.
and it wouldn't allow my orbiter 2 to sit flat on top.
Oh, so this a V 1.1 part or a Dragon Burner part?
Uh, it's Dragon Burner. That's
Okay.
probably just my problem, not anybody else's.
Well, it was probably just a different button for a different sensor or something added on. Yeah. Download thing. But what temperature are you putting your ASA at?
Oh, my V0, it's like 240 ish.
Yeah, that's what a lot of other people were saying. Because I was, at least for the bamboo standard profile, it wants to print it at 270,
What?
and it prints. It's not perfect, but honestly, there's not that big of a difference between 270 and 240,
Yeah.
and it's kind of wild. Obviously, the overhangs are worse on the 270, but not by that much, which is kind of crazy. But no, I knocked it down to 240, and it's doing good. Device.
Oh, you're working as the resin printers in Marlin?
No, 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 no. My bamboo machine is. It's like a really heavily modified version of Marlin that it runs on.
Hmm.
They don't run on Clipper. They run on their own kind of proprietary thing that's heavily inspired by Marlin.
Oh, okay.
So I need to figure out how to what G code commands I can actually put in the thing to make it actually work. Um, but I'll figure it out. So I have a few corrections, stuff like that, and I guess I got to tune shrinkage too because it's ASA. But I don't know. And then I got my filament that I'm gonna end up printing my stuff in. I'm gonna use a. I think I'm gonna get a blue and I have a blue and a gray, like a darker gray that I'm gonna use for my printer
Oh, okay.
because I don't plan on reprinting all of the like under like the base parts,
Mm-hmm.
like the base skirt, which is that ugly blue. So I'm just gonna roll with it and make mine blue,
Yeah.
and then I will print little blue inserts like the ones that you made of my blue to fit into the other piece, so it removes most of it.
Let me know how you like those little triangles. I may try to make them a little bit bigger. Um, I
Okay.
did it. I did it with the intent of putting a little something sticky or adhesive on the back and sliding it in there. That way you could remove it if you wanted to change colors.
Yeah,
Some people are going to be one and done. They just want it to go in there and they're never going to remove it.
they don't want to sit there and put super glue in every single one or some kind of
Yeah.
adhesive on the back.
So I mean, it
Yeah,
is
you could
kind
almost
of
release a yeah, just another version that's
yeah. I could do that.
it's up to you. You just want to see if there's demand for it if someone asks.
It's
No point doing the work if no one really wants it.
fairly decent downloads. Um,
Yeah.
let's see. I've had 28 people download the triangles. 38 people downloaded the little wire saver that
Mhm.
goes underneath the corner of the sheet metal to protect the
Yeah.
wires that what Nero talked about.
Yep.
And 30 people did the V's that I made. Now the V's are nice tight fit.
Nice.
You couldn't ask for much better. You might have to
Right.
do a little bit of filing depending on the printer.
Yeah, if it's slightly over extruding or under extruding, yeah.
32 people downloaded that twin 60 fan mod.
Mhm.
13 people downloaded the single 80. And I just did the
Which one
single.
outputs more air? Did you end up doing
It's
an output on it?
just a tad bit more on the twin 60s.
Gotcha. But it's more wiring.
Yes, basically you have to solder two wires.
Yeah. I'm just because I have the 80 in my alley cart, and I'm just wondering if I should just um realistically, I could also just put two 80s down there, like modify your thing and just put two huge 80s down there.
Yeah, there's not really that much room for two 80s.
Oh yeah.
If you look at the picture, um, 60s fit perfect. That's like the max coverage.
Mhm.
But I would have had to. Uh, I just don't see twin 280s fitting. There's just not enough room between the Z motor,
Mhm.
and there's also a protrusion on the inside uh, to the back side of the board where the board goes through the wall, and then of course you've
Yeah.
got your power supply area that you're eating up into, and that twin 80s is not gonna sit over the top. See the
Gotcha.
twins.
So I couldn't put another 80 over that piece of acrylic and put a hole in it. You're saying that wouldn't be the
You
answer there?
could put a if you wanted to run a wire, and if you want to make that mod to go over the
Hmm.
original power supply and bed regulator,
Yeah.
you could put a fan to where it fits like kind of in between, where it's blowing on the power supply and the bedboard.
Hmm.
Hmm.
I'm just trying to think about airflow entirely down there, just because I'm putting a heavy like a powerful power supply down there. But I think it has, at least the one I ordered has an inbuilt fan.
Yeah, I've had
If I,
this printer just idling for like 2 days, and my MCU is sitting at like 30.5.
not bad at all.
Host is at 35, and toolhead is 38. Now, why the toolhead is 38, the only thing I can think of is the LEDs on the inside, the blue ones, are
Yeah.
putting off some kind of heat signature.
So that's a lot of heat.
I'm wondering if the damn thing's not off, like the
That's a
sensor.
lot of heat.
I mean,
Shouldn't be heating them.
38C for something that's sitting in a room that's 21.4 Celsius?
Yeah.
Something ain't right.
That I don't think it's off.
You don't think it's off?
Yeah, I don't know what would be heating it up so drastically by like 6 degrees. Because even LEDs, yeah, they put off heat, but would they really heat up a nozzle? Because you also gotta look, it's where the thermistor is, not exactly the point of the nozzle. So
Yeah,
it could just be the fact that that heating element is getting power in terms of just the flow of electricity throughout the
yeah.
printer. So I don't think it's a huge issue. It's just kind of weird. I mean, if you touch your hand to the nozzle, it's not like it's gonna burn you instantly.
No, no. It sure would be nice if I could get this to work here.
Yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see you get the new board and pie in there and that kind of stuff. Because I think that'll be a really popular thing for this printer. Because those are such limiting components. That and the tool head on this printer.
And now my it's magically working. I did absolutely nothing to the video stream. It just, I guess it had to do something, and I basically cut it off, cut it back on.
Yeah. It's on YouTube. Like you have a live stream going.
Yeah, I got a live stream going.
What's the name on that?
It ain't nothing to write home about. Give me a second. I'll shoot you the link.
Yeah.
I didn't replace the picture from the last time.
Hmm. Oh, someone wants a 120 millimeter fan down there. There's no way that's fitting.
I'm not doing that.
No.
That's fucking stupid.
Because I mean, it's a PC fan. That's why they're trying to say it. But they realize the 24 volt there isn't a 24-volt PC fan. So it's not like they can use one they have laying around. It's not 24 volt. And I don't know why you would have a 24-volt 120 laying around.
I had one person in the, and I hate to be this way, I had one person in my group last night that asked a question. Let me find out what that question was. And it was a guy that kind of lied and got his ass in the group.
Mm-hmm.
And I started to, all right, so Rory's got Big Tree Eddie that he's about to install.
On the SVO8?
Yep.
I don't
He's
think
get
the clipper's been pushed for that yet, like the profile.
well, that's just it. He has the Big Tree Tech SKR3 Easy.
Oh,
He's got that board already on the SVO8.
gotcha. He turned it into stock clipper.
Yes, that's the
Yeah,
thing. We're completely freeing the printer and making it truly open source.
yeah. Not having to rely on Solo for all this
So
stuff.
he's gonna have Eddie on there. He already has a stealth burner on there.
Nice. Yeah, I figured he'd put a different tool head on there.
Yeah,
He's not running that
he's got
board.
stealth burner on there right now.
Nice. I mean, realistically, this printer is has a really good motion system and really good size.
Mhm.
It just doesn't. All the little things that would be changes are the things that you can use your budget for because you didn't buy a Voron.
Right.
It's kind of the idea. Throw a stealth burner, switch out all the electronics because the electronics were where they budget cut all of the printer.
Yep.
I mean,
The part that you didn't need to skip out on. You wouldn't skip out on it when you're building a computer. So why would you skip out on it when you make a printer? Your
yeah, it
limit.
depends. Some people will skimp out on your power supply, skimp out on your like, I don't know. It just kind of depends.
Here it is. Here's the post. I posted a picture of the Pi and the board, and this guy goes, "Can you tell me why we need this tool changer?" Now you see why he lied getting into the group. And I'm trying to ignore him for just a little bit and give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah. I don't
But
know.
when you
That's a weird question to ask. I mean, look at everything that goes on in the 3D printing hobby. Half the stuff that's done is not needed or necessary, but it's cool and it pushes the hobby.
yeah,
I don't know. Especially if you joined a group about modding the SVO8.
yeah,
I'm like, that would be one of the first things I'd expect is that some crazy mod or something going on for it.
right.
It's not neat. Like it's not needed. You don't have to do it, but it's cool and someone might want it.
And on May 9th, he posted, "Is this recommended tap changer or tool changer?" And he posted Vester's, or however you pronounce his name, his GitHub.
Hmm. Yeah.
So another comment like that, and I'm probably gonna either silence him or just send him out the door.
Yeah, I'd give him a warning, just a little bit about like, hey, I see you're kind of, you're making comments and stuff that I don't, and not adding to the group or something in some way.
Right.
You know, don't want
He's
it to
at
seem like we got to add to the group, not just
ask questions that don't matter.
yeah. And did anyone respond to the question about why is this tool changer needed?
Nope.
asked the question, got no response. Just was ignored. So I don't know. I say until he starts causing actual harm, he's fine.
He's not causing harm. It's just irritating that he lied. And I think
Yeah,
there's
he might have.
quite possibly let him in because he was friends with somebody. That might have been why he got let in.
Yeah, I don't know. At that point, I'd say leave him in if he was a friend,
Right.
especially just because you don't know what that friend does for the thing. If they're working on something big or something, don't want to tick someone off just because of a not super amazing comment every once in a while. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I find ignoring people usually leads them to think that they might be doing something wrong. They just get ignored by everyone.
All right, I'm back.
Nozzles, wire. Yeah.
What? Baby, the dog is at the vet getting shots. Thank you. see if I can make this thing work again. It stopped streaming the Fusion thing.
Uh-oh.
Like the program is still up on the YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
but it's just got the Fusion 360 logo across it with your toolbar at the top and your tabs that you have open,
Interesting.
and that's all it's showing.
That's weird.
Okay, now it's back again.
Nice.
That's the first time I've ever had problems like that out of OBS.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if I can get this Joker moved now. There we go. It didn't want to do it a while ago. Alright, let's see. Let's make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, that's right. That's close enough. You won't see it when it prints. And it's joined. Alright. Well, that looks right. Let's see if I can find the middle. Well, that's the first crash I ever had. Fusion just crashed
Oh wow.
in the middle of working.
Yeah. Hopefully it does a little recovery thing. Maybe like when you reload it.
Give it a little time to do its thing. All right. Looks like it got me pretty close to where I was. Let's see. All right, so I need to move that left. Sound like you got your printer going.
Yep. It's definitely moving. It looks so hilarious right now. I have a medium sized like Lowe's box
Yeah.
for like moving, all chopped up and cut to make an enclosure for the thing. In the very front of it, I left the huge medium Lowe's logo on the door, and it's hilarious.
Ah, yeah, that does sound pretty funny.
Mm, I can probably send a photo. There, I just sent a photo in the side chat.
All right, let me get over to Discord real quick. Well, I'm being a retard trying to find the side chat.
Are you on a
There it is.
computer or your
I
phone?
found it. I found it. Nothing wrong with that. It works.
It works. It looks funny.
You should have cut the box where it had the Lowe's logo a little bit better.
Yeah. I used the contours of where they were already creased for the box and just cut out the squares that had the least amount of creases
Yeah,
so it was as strong as possible. But sadly, the Lowe's logo was cut off.
yeah.
Hmm.
That's
And
all right
now
though.
it's on the top.
I like it. It works till you get something different,
Yep.
or you could keep it permanent. It doesn't matter. It
Yeah.
works.
I mean, again, I'm headed off to school in a couple months, and I'm not taking that one with me. I'm just taking
Yeah,
the changer, so self changer. So it is good enough for here. No reason to spend time and money adding an enclosure to it for it to just sit for 8 months of the year.
right.
Because initially I was going to convert it to the P1S kit that Bamboo sells because I liked the all black more than the white
Yeah.
on X1, but it was like $250
Hmm.
for the. I'm like, no, it is three pieces of plastic and a glass door. oval when you're working on that enclosure for it, so that'll be cool. What did your panels cost? Because you didn't you just you bought the panels? What those roughly cost?
If I hadn't have bought the acrylic knife to score the acrylic, and let's see what else I bought. Oh yeah, I bought a 450 millimeter metal ruler and this acrylic knife, and it was just a hair over 100 bucks.
For the acrylic?
Yeah, for everything, tax and all.
Oh, okay, cool. That
So you're looking at without tax, 90 bucks and some change. I think the sheets were right at $17 a piece.
yeah, and was that just what off Amazon?
No, that was at the store. There literally wasn't a dollar difference
Oh, you just went to what is it?
between Amazon and Home
Home
Depot.
Depot or yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'll probably end up buying mine off of AliExpress just because it'll be $3 cheaper, but it'll take longer. Um, just kind of in the spirit of my build, but having it at Home Depot is real nice. Even if
Hmm.
the full enclosure comes out to about $150 like the one Soval sells,
Much better.
I'd prefer yours. I mean, it's actually open. You can
Yeah.
mod it if you want.
Right. If you got something, you got all your tool changers and the stealth changers in the way,
Hmm.
and you got a really big print, you can pull the side off and pull the head bust or whatever out from the side, and then snap lock back on.
Yeah. Well, the other thing I actually really like about our build is because you have a tool changer that takes up all the space that it does. If you need a really large print, you undo 4 bolts, remove all of the docks in the tools,
Yeah,
and
but
you can
once
use
I
your full
once
build
I
off of
put
it.
that bar on there, I don't think I plan on removing it.
Yeah. Um, but just having the options and kind of modability of that is
Oh
nice.
yeah, most definitely.
And being able to put it right back on and bolt it back to the same place, and you know it didn't move.
Right.
Hmm.
All right. Before I join that to those, I need to copy it one more time.
Hmm. My AC might actually be working for the first time in 2 weeks.
Cool.
It is not fun in a 95-degree house.
Ooh. So you got a
Nine.
central air.
What?
You got central air in the house or something, or window units.
No, central. Um, but yeah, just moved into the new house and found the AC and furnace and the coil. All of it had to be replaced. Within a week of owning the house, they all self-destructed.
And you went through a real estate agent.
Yes,
Call them.
we have. We called them. We went through warranty, insurance, all sorts of stuff like that. That's fun. I love the call centers in India that have no idea what you're saying while on the phone with them trying to explain. My AC broken. It's 95 degrees in my house. I bought the house. 3 days later, it no work.
Right.
Here is my inspection of the house that said it was good.
Yep.
Yeah, but no, we went through most of those paths, and I don't really know how it shook out, but it's all being
Mm-hmm.
replaced today, 2.5 weeks later. So
Mm.
yeah, because at a certain point, it's like just get it done. It's 90+
Oh, that's good.
But yeah, no, my dad last night threw an air mattress down in the basement and slept on an air mattress.
I don't blame you.
Nope. And my younger brothers take turns on the couch down here. Yep. Yeah, we're getting to the point in the summer though where it doesn't chill out that much at night. It drops maybe 10 degrees, but then it's still 80 degrees in your house all night.
Mm.
But
I'm wondering if the reason why it's not showing up for me on my YouTube channel is due to the graphics.
yeah, that or like your bit rate or something. I don't know. There's different things. It's been a hot minute since I've streamed anything though, so I don't
Right.
particularly remember. And I've never streamed on YouTube, so time to bust out the calipers. This on that screen, and then I need this
Well, Fusion crashed again.
again. You might have too much run on your computer if you're streaming plus doing all that.
Excuse me. Alright, if that's the case, let me shut down. Oh,
You could just have too much running and your computer's throttling. You can open up Task Manager if you want to see how your computer's performing.
well, it shouldn't be a problem at all. I've got 64 gigs of DDR4 with an i7 and a Radeon 7800 XTX.
Yeah, it
So
probably shouldn't be much of a problem.
I'm just going to close a bunch of crap out and see what happens. I mean, it recovers and opens right back up with no problems. All right. See, it shows my mouse moving. It's just, and then I can hit the eye on the OBS and then click back on the eye to view the deal and give it a minute and it starts showing back up. So it's like an OBS problem.
Interesting.
All right. So I got that one for that. That's there. That one's there. So I just need to move this little item. It's either a widescreen resolution problem for OBS or OBS in general.
Yeah, I don't know which one it would be.
Okay, you said something about bitrate a while ago, right?
Yeah.
All right, I've got a output of the streaming. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it's got a 2500 kbps.
Don't particularly know anything about bitrate. I just know it exists and it's something people change.
All right, let's see if I can Google this problem.
Yeah.
Average streaming bitrate. And see, I don't even have it set that high. I've got it at 2500, which is set up for 720p. So, I mean, it's not even a high, or maybe that is the problem, that it's not high enough for the screen that's being displayed.
It could be.
Let's run it up to 5000 and see what. Well, no, let's do a 6000. Something's definitely not liking something.
Interesting. I don't know. I haven't done much to do with any of that kind of stuff.
Hmm. Got me thinking here. While I'm doing this, I might as well figure out how to have my webcam of the printer.
Mhm.
I wonder if that's possible. If you could have the webcam view of the printer, like where the little, if somebody's streaming playing games and you see their little half their body sitting in a chair,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if you could put that webcam view inside the deal. That's just something to Google and think on.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
It was 85. And 85 is that. 84.
The only thing I know to do is roll back that OBS update that I just did.
Oh yeah, I do that. I don't update anything until I need to update it. Otherwise it breaks stuff.
Well, I didn't think it would break it. So yeah, let me shut down this so it'll quit. Yep, it just crashed again. I gotta shut that down. All right.